Hi everyone, welcome to season 1, episode 1 Till You Art by Sakshi. Hi Sakshi, please help me. I have only 1500.
Okay.
From next week I have set all the classes and I don't know how to manage. Can you please help me? Oh, seriously? It's more than enough. Okay. See, you just need to get all the essentials of your art supplies, nothing fancy. Yeah, I know I need to buy only essentials, but the art supplies are so
Getting it.
expensive. I saw one acrylic set that was for 3000 rupees.
All right.
And I saw one brush. The flat brush set was like 400 and the round brush was again 400. Then how will I manage to buy the books, which I need to use for paintings? See, don't worry about that. I'll tell you the exact brands which will long last and you will love it. Even the brushes which I'm going to suggest you, that will work for like 2 years if you use it well. Okay. Paints you need to buy once it is finished, that's okay, but the books and everything, it will be long lasting, so it will not cost you much. Okay, see, you start with the basic investment of 1500. Okay, once you start getting the fees of students, then you can keep on buying and renewing, and trust me, it is not going to cost you much, like just 5% or 2% of the income, so it's fair enough, I feel. So see, basically you need 2 types of brushes broadly, which is important. First is the flat brush. So you need a set, like you need 3 or 2 flat brushes with different numbers, different thickness. Second is the round brush. Okay, so you need this round brush with different numbers, the thin and the thick, so you can do your work. Okay, so there is one packet, okay, which will just cost you just 200 INR and you will get all the types of brushes.
Okay.
So 200, and that will work for 2 years, so that is just sorted. Thank God, that brushes and the colors are done under 400 rupees. I was painting on a thin sheet, like on a A4 sheet, and that got teared. So can you just tell me the reason why that happened? If that what kind of page am I supposed to use for that then? Okay, so see, now we are sorted with the brush and the paints. Now on what surface you are going to paint it? See, in drawing books there are different qualities. Okay, so over here, see, on all the drawing books there will be a GSM written.
Getting it.
GSM is gram per square meter. Basically, it is a unit of measuring the thickness of the page. So the more the GSM is, the thicker the paper will be. All right. So whenever you are doing acrylic or watercolor, like very bare minimum, you need 140 GSM. Okay. You can also go for 300, but it's not required for now. Okay, so you just go ahead. You all will go ahead for 140 GSM. Okay, yeah, I can use it. That's fine. That's okay. Acha, I have seen people painting on canvas board. Okay, but I just saw the rates and it's pretty expensive. Like one A4 canvas board was for 200 rupees. So if I use that particular thing, like one canvas board for one painting, then it will cost me a lot. How will I manage that then? See, it's not a big deal. The way canvas boards are there is a book called Canvas Pad. Okay, where you will get, like, it will come in a form of a book. Okay, which will have canvas papers. See, this is how it looks like. See, so this is the book. Okay, and the papers are of canvas. So you can do all the beautiful paintings. So basically I use it when I am teaching. Okay, so it is easy to carry, easy to use, and the blending is very nice, and you can just see it is little rough. Okay, so it is not soft, it is just little textured. I'm doing this so you can check while purchasing. Okay, and the blending is amazing. See, the blending is very simple on this sheet. Okay, either you get a book, or see, if you want to go for much cheaper option, so you go for the roll. Okay, so this roll is it costed me 1000 something. No need to buy for now, but just telling you for future. Okay, so you can just buy this roll, cut it, use it, fold it, and again keep it. Okay, this is the cheapest option. Then the book is little cheaper. The boards are little expensive. Whenever you want to do the final one, only then you do it. Okay, got it? This is also sorted. So this canvas pad will cost you 220 INR. Okay, so see, but if I take 3 sessions in a day, okay, so don't you think so that 50 pages book will get finished very fast? Oh, that's why I'm here, darling. You will get a bundle of sheets like 500 pages. It will be very thin. So whenever I'll just show you how it looks like, just a single one. There is a lot of mess at my place. So see, this is it's a very thin paper. Okay, this is just 70 GSM. So whenever you are teaching sketching, whenever you are practicing sketching, whenever you are doing any rough work, you know, even in the painting, the rough work, then you use this page. Okay, so this is a very cheaper one. Like in 140 INR, you will get 500 pages. So you know it works really long run. So you don't have to waste your Sundaram 140 GSM pages for this. Getting it? Okay. So that will help you out a lot. Okay. So see, now let's do the calculation. Okay. So brushes are for 175 rupees. Okay. Colors 190. Canvas pad 220. Drawing book 190. Pencil 5 rupees. Eraser 5 rupees. Ruler 10 rupees. Sharpener 5 rupees. And the Xerox sheet 140 rupees. Okay. So the total will come somewhat inside 1000 or maybe 1025 rupees, something like that. Okay. Okay, chalo, nice. Now everything is sorted under 1K and I'm so happy. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Okay. So is there anything else I need? And you know better than me. Am I missing anything? So see, now you got everything in 1000 rupees and you are still left with 500. So keep that 500. Okay. Whenever anything is missing, the white paint will finish very fast. Okay. So you can get one bigger white tube of 120 INR of Camlin. Okay. I prefer this 140. No, it's 270 INR of this Camlin, and this works very well and the quality is amazing. You know, the blending will work better. Okay, so you can get this one. Yeah, I'm very nervous, you know, because I know everything is not going so good, as you know already. I'm really stressed because our family is not happy with Anusujin, you know, right? So I was so nervous, you know, yesterday when I was planning the classes. Let's see, let's hope for the best. So see, now you need to understand one thing. In long term, okay, you will see progress if you keep practicing daily. If you keep on skipping and if you think that okay, one day you will practice and you will get better, it's not going to happen. Take one step at a time, stick to it. 1 hour to 1 hour daily karna hi hai. Okay, just keep on doing 1 hour daily. Trust me, you know, you will see improvement in 2 to 3 months for sure, and you will love your sketches. Like now, earlier, you know, even I was not knowing how to do anything. But just keep on making lines on daily basis. You will see the changes. Okay, be consistent. Do it daily. Okay, don't stress that how it will happen and all. And be prepared whenever whatever classes you are going to take. See, you need to understand that we are really blessed, okay? Our hands are having magic. You know, I was just trying this artwork, this rose, and this worked very well. Can you see that? It's so nice. I tried this lotus and this worked very well again, okay? You all can see that painting, that also worked well, okay? So, you know, whatever we choose, we are able to do it. It's just that it needs practice and we need to sit and study and get it done. Okay, so just stick to it and keep on going. I hope things get sorted fast, you know, because this classes is everything is new, and even I don't know how to talk in English. I can understand. It is this. Work on that. See, this time is temporary. Okay, I know that time was really tough for me. Also, it was just so stressful all the time. And you know, I left NEET and doing this, so they all are like that. you left me, now you're doing this nonsense. So I don't know what to say to them. Trust me, Mama is going to love our paintings.
really?
The family will be so proud because
Okay.
after a point, you will get international students also, and the kids are going to love your paintings. They will be your
Seriously?
biggest fan.
I'm waiting for that.
Okay, they will keep on cheering you up
I
all
really
the time,
hope
and
everything goes well. Everything loves my painting and this art career. And I promise I'm going to work hard. I'll practice daily.
Yeah.
I will not
Yeah.
skip any day. I will take as many demos as possible so I can get more and more students. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot for the help. It means so much to me. I really don't know what I would have done without you.
I love
was
you
so
much.
clueless. I was
It's
literally
okay,
so
chill.
clueless about
Okay,
everything.
don't forget to practice 1 hour daily. Okay. Take care of your health, eat well, try to meditate daily, do little bit of exercise, so your health will be nice.
Yes,
Take
yes.
care.
got
Chalo,
it,
bye bye.
got
I
it.
need to
Chalo,
go.
bye
Even
bye.
I
God
need
bless you
classes
too.
today.
Thank you so
Bye. Take
much.
care. I love you so much. I hope you all liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe and let us know what else you would like to learn, so we will surely take it, okay? I hope this was helpful for you to understand what are the materials you are supposed to use, what we are not supposed to use, and how to keep everything budget friendly. Let us know what else you would like to learn, so I will surely take that particular topic in coming sessions. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Take
Take
care.
care. God bless you all.